Hello everyone. Matthew IDG, it's my name. Okay, yeah, this year has actually 2021 has actually come to an end, whether we like it or not. And the fact that you are alive means a whole lot to yourself and to the whole world. All right. Yeah, I actually have an offer to introduce to us, and that is my Fiverr private mentorship class. Yes, this is actually going to be different from whatever you might have heard from me or from anybody out there. I don't know. But this is what I'm going to be doing. I actually want to devote time for few people. Yeah, let me use that word, few people, because this information I'm carrying, I don't want it to be saturated. And I know I just feel like bringing few people to the table. Let us work together and dominate Fiverr. And that is why it's going to be a private class where I'll be actually releasing my time for us. All of us will be working together as a team. And this time around, it's not just going to be on Fiverr alone. It's going to be on different platforms and other stuff. You understand? But the goal is here. Let me just I highlight what I'll be focusing on in this thing. Okay, now when we are talking about this Fiverr private mentorship class, now we'll have a goal. We set a goal for ourselves every month, and we work hard and work smart to achieve those goals. Part of those goals is hitting at least $3,000 every month, $3,000 to $5,000 every month. Part of those goals is to discover new hot niches and work way around it to be offering those services and be making our own money. I have a lot of them on ground already. I have the strategy to apply. I have everything in place. You understand? So there's this saying that goes, what money cannot do, more money will do. I always say it, what individual cannot do on his own, more people can come together and achieve it. I want to believe you understand what I mean. You cannot compare the effort of one person to the effort of 10 persons on the same goal. The result must actually be different. So that is what this group is going to be all about. So we'll be setting different goals for ourselves every month, and we will make sure we work smartly to achieve those goals. There are strategies in place. I've actually uh, settled that one. Okay, so we'll be achieving those goals without much effort from everybody, right? So when you're talking about what was it called? Division of labor will go a long way to help a business grow. You help your journey fast and to move faster on freelance and other platforms. Okay, so that is one. We'll be conquering Fiverr algorithm issues. That is the monster out there that is actually pushing or chasing people away from Fiverr. How to conquer this algorithm, how to rank high, how to make your gig seen by different buyers, and how to attract buyers to your gig. This is what is uh, actually creating fear in the heart of many newbies and even some experts. They don't actually know how to go about these things. See, I'll never be complaining about shortage or orders on Fiverr. There are things I do underground by myself. And this is what we'll be doing together in this private mentorship class, right? We'll be dominating the furniture. I mentioned that one earlier. And also, we'll be working on different freelance platforms. Fiverr is not the only freelance platform you can actually work from. You see, not even Upwork. There are other platforms you can actually work and be making your money that are not actually popular to the whole world, like people used to know Fiverr and Upwork, but people are still making money. That I'm also making money from those platforms. So this is what we'll be doing together in this particular mentorship class. All right. So also aside that, there are many line of businesses online that you can be making your side money from as side hustle that will not even take much of your time. I mean, aside Fiverr, I'm not only doing Fiverr, I do other things online that is fetching me money. legitimately, and you know, I'm not I'm not a monster. I'm not that special. I'm just human being like any other person you might know. So these are things I will be revealing in this coaching. So it's gonna be a kind of journey for every one of us, and there are lines of duties, there are lines of work I have actually prepared for every one of us to be taking. So prepare your mind and to achieve this goal together with me, right? So that is what we'll all be doing together. So now back to what I was actually discussing earlier. You see, I belong to different groups, different foreign groups, different freelance groups, like contains people from Indians, Bangladesh, all these Asian countries that's actually dominating Fiverr these days. And I was able to learn some secrets from them that is making them rank high. So that is what I've actually been using by myself, and I'm ready to reveal these secrets to as many that will come on board in this my private mentorship class. This is actually different from my courses I'm actually releasing. My courses are great. They are actually doing great. You can actually learn from them and apply. You still be making your money. But I'm talking about people that are ready to scale up their income. Talking about making $3,000 to $5,000 every month. These are these are my goals come 2022, and these are the goals I want for every one of us. But don't forget, this offer will never be for everybody. That one is certain, because Nigerians actually love casting information, casting secrets and tips. So I've decided to make effort to reduce the kind of people that will actually participate. And it's not a kind of, I'm not trying to brag or anything. I know what I'm actually saying, and I'm very, very sure of what the result will surely be. Okay. Now, it is not, I won't beat about the bush. The price to be paid come January is 150,000 naira, Nigerian currency. 150,000 naira. Well, don't be afraid yet, because I know the situation, the economic situation and other stuffs. Although, don't forget, nothing good comes easy. You need to strive hard to conquer your level of poverty or anything you might think that is holding you down. That is what I believe in life. Now, the good news is this: between now that you are watching this video and the first week of January 2022, I'm offering a huge amount of bonus to anybody that will actually want to take it serious and join me right now. And that is uh, when you'll be paying 50,000 naira between now that you are watching this video and the first week of January. I hope I've made myself clear. So if you can pay 50,000 naira between now and the first week of January, fine, you'll be allowed to join us in this class. Otherwise, if you can't pay between now and the first week of January, you are paying 150,000 naira to join us, and a dime will not be removed from it. That is my promise. So, no, now this is what I'm saying. If aside what these all these factors I actually mentioned in this all these things here, there are a lot of things I won't be able to mention right now. But I'm so confident that you will learn a whole lot when it comes to this private coaching. Forget about it. You can't compare a student that goes to school every day, prepare for exam on his own, buying textbooks, buying this and that, and another student that goes for private coaching for the same exam. The only thing that can actually cause the later student to fail is when he is not taking the class serious, or is not taking any actions to prepare well for the exam. I believe you know better. So this class is not meant for everybody. Trust me, it is not meant for. Okay, and also, so for those that will be thinking or arguing in their minds that is it possible to actually make $3,000 to $5,000 in a month on Fiverr. So I'm going to show you one or two any screenshots right now for you to be convinced enough. Many people that actually know me, it's not the matter of bragging. They know it for the fact that making money on Fiverr is not that difficult, and that is what I want to pass across to as many that will come on board on this private coaching actually. So let me quickly show us from my Stripe and for my this thing for my one of my Fiverr accounts. It's one of the Fiverr accounts. Look at this earning here. This is 4,195, and I still have 169 coming. Right? You get what I'm saying now? So this is possible. It's not a matter of maybe it is his mouth or anything. It's achievable. Okay. Then also let me show you one earnings outside Fiverr. I collected this one outside Fiverr. It's not only one person actually. An expected payment should be January 3rd. This is Stripe. If you're familiar with the Stripe dashboard, you will understand better. So this is what I'm saying. You can actually make money both on Fiverr and outside Fiverr. This freelancing stuff of a thing. This job is freelance. This payment is actually from freelance. I actually got the client outside Fiverr, and these are many ways I'll be revealing to us when you come on board. So how to even have a Stripe account without you spending that much. Yeah, let me use that word. It's very easy for you. Operate it from your normal IP, normal Nigeria IP, and you'll be receiving your money payment. Everything you'll be getting your money in local black market rate. So forget about it. There are many ways to make money. Don't let anybody deceive you. It is very doable. So that is what I actually want to show you. Okay. So don't be afraid to come on board. Don't be afraid to take risk. Another thing is this: if you don't have any skill at all, I mean it. If you don't have any skill at all, it doesn't stop you. Come on board. I mean it. If you don't have any skill online at all, come on board. Will put you through and will force you to make money online, and you become an authority in a short period of time. So that is what I'm very confident in. So now I think I've actually explained better now. I've made myself clear. And if you don't understand anything, if you want to know more or you want to ask me further question, you can actually comment below this video, or you send me a message on my WhatsApp. You see it in the comment. I mean in the description below. My email will be there, my Facebook, my social media platform where you can actually reach out to me will be listed below this video, and you can get in touch with me. I will also be available to attend to your questions and any other things you think you want to ask me. Freelance or any other means of making money online. So that is what I believe in. You can actually make money. Making money online is not that difficult when you have access to the right information and you are ready to take action. So without wasting much of your time, I think I've explained better now for people that are actually some people are actually aware of these things. I've been mentioning them for a while now, but I think I should create a video to explain better, to at least to answer most of the questions people have been asking me. So if you really want to know more aside this video, you can actually reach out to me and I will actually explain. So without wasting time, thank you very much and see you later. God bless you. Bye.